Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you the methods to import photos into Photoshop. There are different methods to import photos into Photoshop. Let's open Photoshop first. We can create a new document to edit photos, or we can directly import and edit photos. Okay. For create a document and import a photo, go to File, New. We can use the shortcut Ctrl+N. Okay. So the current window can change according to the versions of Photoshop we used. We can change the name here. We can choose the type of document we want. Okay, choose photo. Just okay. So we created a document. Now we want to import a photo into this. So there are different methods for that. Let's run through all of them. Okay, so method number 1, go to File, then Open. This one, it's open now. So the photo will open in another tab. So just unlock the layer. For layer, just go to this 7, unlock this layer and use this move tool to move this into the other tab. Okay, now it's moved. Using Ctrl+T, you can scale this image. Okay, this is method 1. So okay, the method number 2. This is a very simple one. Minimize Photoshop. Go to the file containing our image here. Okay, simply drag it into the Photoshop icon in the taskbar. Done. It's very simple. Okay, the method number 3, we can use this place embedded option to import photos. Okay, place. The method number 4, we can use this place linked option to import photos. Okay, that's it. Note that this tool is only active if we created a document. If there is no document, it's inactive. Okay, now without a document, just go to File, Open. Okay, that's it. So I hope this tutorial helps you. For more videos, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.